Hello, it's Andrew at Life and Pig Row, and welcome to another glorious day. We're getting quite a few nice days at the moment. Bit of exciting news. So, when we did the Wartime Garden Dig for Victory, we found a variety of marrow called Table Dainty that Eleanor Sinclair Roday, or Road, depending on how you want to pronounce it, recommended. And ever since we've not been able to find it, and we found it recently. So today, I'm going to show you how to plant your very own wartime marrows. So a bit of common sense, even at this time of year, there's every chance we're going to get a frost. And these seed weren't cheap. So what I'm going to do, I've got 5 seeds here, I'm going to plant 2 into this pot. Just 2. And that leaves me then with 3 over. So it's like I'm doing play school, and then what's 2 minus 5, children? That's 3. So what I'm going to do is take the seed, and I'm going to put it in the pot. I'm going to sink it and I'm going to push it down, just like so. You can just see it now. I'm going to do another one, just like so. And I put it on the side, and the reason I put it on the side and not flat like that is supposedly it stops it from rotting. And I've been doing that for years. And all it is a matter of covering over, patting down and labelling, and we'll come back to these in a film later on. So if you enjoy, subscribe. And you can't believe how excited I am that I found Table Dainty again. For those people say, why don't you collect your own seed? You're not really supposed to collect courgette and marrow seed, especially if it's open pollinated, because you never know what you're going to get. And also courgette and marrows can regress. What I mean by that, they regress to what they originally were, and you end up with what is basically a poisonous plant. And the first thing you'll know about it is when you taste it, and it's bitter and it tastes horrible, and if you persevere and eat it, you will be incredibly sick and probably will end up in A&E. So I always recommend, when things aren't collapsing in the background, to buy your seed. And this took me a long time to find this seed. So until next time, bye bye.